Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. This is the last road of India, Dhanushkodi, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. The nail of a middle finger grows the fastest and the nail of a thumb grows slowest. Cracking your knuckles does not hurt your bones. The sound you hear is just gas bubbles bursting. In Japan, people don't have signature, they use stamps called hanko, and every individual in Japan has one. World's first virtual shopping store in South Korea, users select their desired items by touching the LCD screen and check out at the counter in the end to have all their ordered stuff packed in bags. These are known as ghost apples, formed when water freezes on an apple that later rot away. China bans Winnie the Pooh film after comparisons to President Jinping. Snails can sleep for 3 years. This is because they hibernate when the weather is extreme or adverse. Vampires suck your blood for vitamin D because they can't go out in sun themselves. Google introduced in 1998, but the Google Image option was introduced on July 12, 2001 due to a great demand for pictures of Jennifer Lopez's green Versace dress. Around 60 tons of cosmic dust falls down to Earth from outer space every day. Platypus is the egg-laying mammal. Ayers Rock is also known as Uluru Rock, changes its color every day. Each queen in a playing of deck card represents a great female from history. Taj Mahal stay dark at night, and for 400 years there are no lights at Taj. If you search for 24154393 in Google Images, you'll find a lot of people with heads in their freezer. Your thumb is the same length as your nose. Shruti Sunil Gugale of Ahmednagar, Maharashtra made largest stippling drawing. Juliet boasts the most expensive rose in the world, worth $3 million. Cow sold for more price than Lamborghini or Ferrari. A wild sheep found in Australia has been sheared of a huge 35-kilogram wool coat after an estimated 5 years of unchecked growth. Justin Bieber bought every single flower in Los Angeles flower shop and had all them delivered to Selena Gomez's house on Valentine's Day. Former UK model Elizabeth Holt marries her dog on live TV. Pauline Potter, the new world record holder for the heaviest living woman in the world. A person in US has left assets about Rs 36 crore for his pet dog Lulu in his wills. World record of most expensive teddy is Steve Louis Vuitton teddy bear. Guinness Book of World Records recognized longest staircase can be found on Nisan Mountain with a whopping 11,674 stairs. Russians throw away empty vodka and beer bottles. Ocean turns them into colorful glass pebbles. An Iranian court allowed an Iranian girl to inject acid in the eyes of a man who had done the same thing to her when she rejected his marriage proposal in 2005. Volunteer in Indonesia's Kipu village. Dress up as a ghost to scare people to stay in home due to COVID-19. This 1030-year-old Viking eggs found in Denmark. There is a man in Ethiopia known as the Haina man. One of China's richest men, Jack Ma, buys 28,000 acres of US wilderness to protect it from the logging and mining industries and turn it into a wildlife sanctuary. In 1986, a French woman studied for months so that she could learn how to fly a helicopter. Then she rented one, flew it over a prison and grabbed her husband, a convicted bank robber. Stress can cause chickens to lay eggs with strange pigmentation. During the Cold War, when Navy divers repairing a whale enclosure heard a human-like voice saying, "Out, out, out," and got out of the water to see nobody, they found out a beluga whale named Nock. In 2011, a pair of managers from Domino's set fire to a Papa John's to boost their sales. Screech owls bring Texas blind snakes into their nest so that snakes will eat the parasites that feed on the owlets. Neerja Bhanot, a 22-year-old Indian air hostess who helped hide 41 American passports aboard a hijacked plane. In 2004, a man named Ashley Revel sold all his possessions and put his entire net worth of $135,300 on red at the Plaza Hotel in Vegas. When you transport something by car, it's called a shipment. But when you transport something by ship, it's called cargo. Thanks for watching.